Microplastic exposure to infants. By Silla Mianova and Martina Valachuvio. The present study summarized the possible exposure of infants to microplastics, MPs, as well as the detection of possible released MPs in infant feces, breast milk, and infant formulas. Microplastics are small plastic pieces with sizes less than 5 millimeters. People are in close contact with microplastics, which, due to their physical and chemical properties, have a negative effect on human health. Exposure to microplastics even in small amounts already in childhood can affect human health throughout life. The potential risks of microplastics may be greater for infants because they do not have sufficiently developed metabolizing enzymes, have less ability to remove microplastics, and have highly sensitive target organs. The specific behavior of children, such as crowing, hand-to-mouth movement, makes children more exposed to harmful substances than adults. Infants should be breastfed for the first 6 months of life. Breast milk is considered to be the most complete and suitable source of nutrition. However, if breastfeeding during this period is not possible, it is necessary to use formulas designed for infant initial feeding. Infants may be exposed to higher levels of microplastics through infant foods or plastic products. It follows from the results of several studies, polypropylene feeding bottles, plastic packaging for baby food and plastic toys should be considered as potential sources of microplastics. Studies have found that infant formula prepared in a polypropylene bottle releases up to millions of microplastics. Polyamide content was higher in meconium than in placenta. The amount of microplastics in feces was higher in children who used to suck plastic toys. There is still not enough data available for this study area. Therefore, it is necessary to pay increased attention to minimizing the negative effects of microplastics on human health. The microparticles, which are created by the degradation of plastics, have spread to all areas of the environment, with a negative impact on human health and the overall ecosystem. Our review is based on scientific studies to clarify the extent of the presence of microplastics in various aspects of life, including breast milk, baby bottles, toys, and milk forms. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.